If you know like I know, you better not sell that game, bro. Why you ain't make no Grand Theft Auto? We shoot shit, we don't wrestle. The fighting gang so disrespectful. Same reason King Von die for. We catch you, we gon' beat your ass though. Both bosses, why would they fight for? What you think OTF or Katifo? Slow down, which way let Tim go? You know what I'm saying?
A splash in the subject of the game spitter. This ain't the move right here. Cause you gotta understand, body's been dropped. Well, a body been dropped. This is a real issue. So a video game, unless they really paying Durk or YoungBoy, who knows? WWE, they could pay him, but ain't no way because it wouldn't have been presented like that. YoungBoy would have said something. Lil Durk would have said something. They would have bragged on the check they got from WWE from Best for Man. They would have bragged on that 10 million, 20 million, who knows, 5 million. So of course, whoever made it got a lot of time on their hand, and they smart and creative, right? But the tricky part gonna be is when you get a lot of requests, a lot of emails saying, I want to buy it. I'll pay $5,000 for that video game. I'll pay $20,000, $30,000. Who knows? Who knows what type of offer you can get for that game? Because there's a lot of crazy fans out here. And that's when, as soon as you sell it, the YB team or the Durk team could find out that you sold it. And they're going to sue you. That's all they got to wait on is for you to sell it. Because it's going to be tempting. Because you did good. You smart. You can make millions of dollars like this. But you wasn't smart enough to make that phone call, to make that contract. And, you know, reach out to YB. Reach out to YoungBoy. Reach out to WWE. And make it happen. And make it happen. You could have been the brains behind it. You could have been the middleman long as you got in. And yeah, but you did it the wrong way. So now you get all the reposts and you're going to get all the emails saying, I want to buy. I got top dollar, and you can't even sell it because somebody going to tell on you. Somebody going to say something. Unless you sell it to one person and they keep it on the hush, on the low for a nice big profit. But you'll have to pay taxes on it. And that's when they going to find out. And that's when you're going to get sued. That's when you're going to get sued, because if they send it through anything, Cash Out, or anything with Biden, you're going to get a 1099. So unless you can come up with a, you know, a real dark market way to sell it, and you got millions of dollars, hundreds of millions, or, you know, 10 million or multi-million, you got multi-millions of dollars just sitting. That idea just sitting because you ain't put it together right. You made it right, smart, but you can't sell it. But they just waiting because you trying to glorify their pain and death. You think they pain and death or what they going through is entertainment, and they ain't stamped that death. So of course, ain't no telling how they feel about it. They can love your idea. They can be all with it. Then I guess it's all good, all love. But, you know, the only thing you can do to make some money without getting sued is if you play the game on YouTube or another gaming service where you get paid to play the game, or you get paid for people watching you in a certain room, or you getting a certain amount of views and you get paid based off that. And that's the only way you can kind of run it up. You know what I'm saying? Or you just betting people in the game, like a tournament or something like that, and you ain't selling the game, you just betting, like you take Durk or I take YB and we fight. That's it. Other than that, you can't really make no money. But with that, it'll be a lot of money, but for how long? Because it wouldn't last that long. Because they only into it for right now. Then people will move on like they do all the other games. So you will only make money from it for a short period of time. It could last a year, however long they beef lasts. Now, it could last a little longer if something really bad happened, like fatal. You don't want that to happen. But on your end, it could last a little longer, but they beef ain't gonna last that long. It's gonna blow over. You know what I'm saying? Unless something, you know, in the streets happen, more blood gets shed. So if you do make money from that, how long will it last? Because you build a lifestyle over that? Or would you keep it going? Like every time a rapper beef, anytime a big rapper get into it, you'll make the wrestling characters and you keep it going. You'll avoid being sued because you'll never sell it. You'll just play it on YouTube and other streaming services and get your bag that way. It was different hustles. I'm pretty sure you know what you're doing, or you know how to do it if you know how to do all that. So I ain't telling you nothing new. I'm just telling you, if you do sell it, you'll lose everything you got. Everything you got, they're going to take it. You know what I'm saying? And probably some more. You never know. But who knows? It's my take on this conversation, man. Go.